Hi everyone, I received some unexpected happy mail and I peeked at the card, but I haven't looked at anything else. So let me, oops, stuff's falling out. Here's the little card. This is from Charlisa's Crafty Corner. Isn't that pretty paper? Look how neat that is. There I go with my ums again. Oh, Valentine's Day. Now I received this either Friday or Saturday, I'm not sure which, so either the 21st or 22nd, but I didn't get the mail until the 22nd, and I'm just now on Sunday having a chance to film it. So thank you, Lisa. Lisa has blessed me several times with happy mail, and I so appreciate you thinking about me, Lisa. I have to reciprocate soon. I had you on my mind, actually. So anyway, somebody please tell me how to stop saying so she gave me some tiny conversation hearts and lollipops. I might have to pass them on to my grandkids because, although I don't know, we'll see, because I'm trying not to eat too much sugar these days. But anyway, I love it. Oh, look at these pretty charms. This is so pretty. This paper is beautiful, and the bag is shaped like hearts, and then she's got them sort of like a glitter gel pen or something outlined. And then I almost hate to do this. Oh, she used one of those little things. I now have some of them, but I haven't used them yet. So let me see what's in here. Let's see. Now Lisa is very talented, so if you're not familiar, ooh, wow, with her, please be sure to go check out her channel. It's Charlisa's Crafty Corner. Let me put that out of the card onto the mat here so you can see it. And I think she had some kind of medical thing going on not too long ago, and that's why I've been thinking about her. I've been meaning to get her something. Instead, she sent me something. I feel kind of bad about that, but I'm appreciative. Thank you so much, Lisa. Oh, that's a sticker thing. Cool. And this is like table scatter. Cute. And pretty little bows. I can always use those. And a heart with stitching around it. Pretty. It's like wood with little pink polka dots. And a little, is that a cherub or an angel? I think a cherub is what you'd call that, right? And here's a little rose. Pretty. And I adore you. This must be from some collection. Ooh, these are pretty. These are like a burlap with lace on them. Really pretty. And she gave me two of those. Ooh, so pretty. And then look at this pretty pink and cream paper. Again, stitched. These are die cut with stitched shapes. And these are not stitched, but they're still either punched or die cut out of really pretty papers. And there's another little pink bow. So I have pink, red, and white. And then these charms, just gorgeous, like a double heart and a key. So sweet of you, Lisa. I really appreciate it. I will put these in my Valentine's stash for next year so that I can make use of them next year. And I'll put these in there too so that I can use them. Because I'm not in the buying mode, you know. I'm going to put everything back in this little bag so that I can put them in with my Valentine's stuff for next year. Not the candy, of course. Okay, and I'll connect that again later. And then here's the other one. Look at this pretty paper. So cute. And it's got a heart for a handle, look. And she's got a little clothespin on it. Now the Hershey Kisses, I have some, and I will be eating one a day kind of thing. Ooh, Milky Way, that will probably go to my son. He's a Milky Way fan. Snickers, however, will stay with me. Hershey bar, we might battle over, I don't know. Looks like it got a little bit melty, but I don't know why, because, well, maybe in Florida it's real hot. And then all this pretty pink scatter. I don't know what this is called. It's not scatter, it's shred. Shred is the word I was looking for. Thank you very much. Yummies. So yeah, they will not get wasted, even though I'm trying not to eat much sugar. But Snickers is my all-time favorite. Hershey Kisses come, any kind of Hershey's comes pretty close. So yeah, thank you for thinking of me again, and I hope you're doing well. And hopefully one of these days soon, you'll be on my ever-growing list of of happy mail to go out. So that is from Charlisa's Crafty Corner. Please go show her some crafty love. And Lisa, let me know how you're doing. And because I'm pretty sure you said you were having some kind of medical thing, and I would like to make sure you're okay. All right. Thank you so much. Hugs and love and peace to everyone. Thanks for watching.